Remember that Trump lost by only 20,682 votes. Just like in Georgia, this is an admission from both sides that there was cheating in the 2020 election. Now, I know that some of you are going to be worried about the next election. How are we going to prevent the Democrats from going into the back room and filling out 64,000 extra ballots for Joe Biden? There is a big difference with this next election. If you remember, the Republicans did file many lawsuits in 2020 challenging the election results. Most of these lawsuits were thrown out based on a legal concept called laches. This concept says that if Republicans had concerns about the election process, they should have filed a lawsuit before the election. So even though there was evidence of wrongdoing, the court never even heard the evidence.